on today's episode of Chilling with Oluchi Ukah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have finally grown balls to do this. I've been talking about it since before my birthday. I was scared at first, but now we are ready. So today's video, I'm going to be cutting and bleaching my hair. So I posted a picture on Instagram. If you're not following me, this is my Instagram. I posted a picture on Instagram asking my followers what color should I dye my hair, and majority of the suggestions were blonde, and I'm like,
give me the light, give me that push, give me the bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that blow my mind, give me that thing.
And I also want to do like a mini unboxing. So I got this clipper. I got it from the mall, Migros, like a mall for shopping for groceries and every other thing. I got it from the mall. It looks like this. This is the 7-set one. It's USB charged. It makes a very weird noise. I don't even want to get into that. It also have all these plugs, hair things. I think it ranges from size 12 to size 3. Yes, size 12 to size 3. Then it comes in this pack thing. Then you charge from here. You put your clipper on it like this. Then you connect it from under here, and it charges. It's like a USB charger. So before you start, you're supposed to lubricate the blade. I'm going to be using this small one. Then you're supposed to apply it on the blade. So I hope I'm getting it right that year. I hope I'm not flopping, because I literally see my father doing this. Press it on. It has this very weird noise, and this is how my hair looks like. This is how it looks like after the cuts I did previously. I don't even know what style I want to cut it. I just know I want to cut it like low. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, 1, 2. Oh. Okay, so I'm just combing it up again. I miss my Who sent me message? Of my life, because I feel the back is very horrible. I don't know. I feel the back looks very horrible, but yeah. So this is what my hair looks like now. My body is so itchy. I just want to shower, but I want to dye my hair first. I want to bleach my hair first before I go to the shower. So yeah, let's do this hair. So this is the bleach powder I'll be using, and this is the peroxide that I use. So I'm just going to mix it up in my bowl. Need my hand gloves. So first, let me wear my hand gloves. I'm just eyeballing it as usual, but this is the bleach powder I'm using. It's this much. It's not that much, but yes. And I'll pour in my peroxide now. I hope my peroxide to do, because it's little. I'm just pouring it in. Then I'll use my brush. So before I start, I'm going to be using my Vaseline. Just take a bit, and I'll apply it around my face so that my hair doesn't burn. Then I'll apply it at the back too. So I've mixed my bleach and peroxide. This is way thicker than my last video, and this is because it's like on my hair and my hair is quite short. I feel I even mixed like way too much, so Jesus. Oluchi Ukah, you have mad. My hair has already started bleaching. Wow. So I'll just take my comb. I'm just doing that so that at least I can see what side doesn't have like the bleach. I don't have a shower cap. No, I don't have it. I'm going to be using my Santana leather bag. According to Ope's video, Ope said she waited for like 1 hour. I know they do that thing because 1 hour feels like a lot. This is like what? 10 minutes and my hair is already turning blonde. I wish I wait as much as I can. Like if I can wait for 1 hour, then I wait for 1 hour. If I cannot wait for more than 1 hour, I'm off. Anyway, let's just chill and relax. And we are not taking care of, we are burning our hair, but let us just relax. I feel as if my ears are burning.
A few moments later.
So this is after 25 minutes. My hair is literally burning, but I need to take this off to see it. Like it's showing blonde, but I can still see some black or brown. So I think I'm going to leave it a bit longer. The next time you'll see me, I should have washed my hair because this pain is real. Peace out.
The next day.
Okay, so hey guys, good morning. This is another day. Yesterday when I finished bleaching the hair and doing everything, I purple shampooed it, but I left it longer than expected, so my hair turned lavender. So I slept, woke up this morning and I bleached it again. So it's like this. Please don't don't bleach your hair yourself. My scalp is burning. I think I have migraine already. So today, in order not to bleach my hair for the 3rd time, I am going to put the purple shampoo, but I will leave it for maybe like 10 minutes and I go and wash it off because I like how it's like white. It's like white already, like this is the color I want, but I think the back still has like all this yellow. So I can see that the back still has like some yellowness to it. Anyway, I'm going to use this purple shampoo. Just taking a bit. Don't stain me, please. So can you see it's already staining my hand? So I think I might leave this for maybe like 5 minutes or so. But let me just keep massaging it.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is how I look with my hair and my makeup. I had to put on makeup just to be bougie. I put on conditioner, I left it on for a while, maybe for like an hour, because my scalp was really burning, like guys. Anyway, this is how the hair came out. I hope you liked it. Anyway, please suggest colors that you think I should try on my hair. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.